CNC group break 213-458. We have the 2-box break of 2223 SB game used. I hate these packs. All right, Super Prospect, number to 999 for the Montreal Canadiens of Caden Gooley. Number to 999 for San Jose, Thomas Bordelot. We have a Supreme Patches, number to 15 for the Rangers, Jacob Trouba. Gotta love a Supreme Patch. A base jersey for Montreal of Nick Suzuki. A rookie jersey for Tampa of Cole Kopke. And a purity for the New York Islanders, Billy Smith. Box 2. Number to 999 for Chicago, we have Lucas Reichel. Rookie number to 116 for the Winnipeg Jets of Michael Asimon. We have number to 35, base jersey auto for the Washington Capitals, Tom Wilson. An Authentic Fabrics patch, number to 35 for Calgary, Jonathan Huberdeau. A New Grooves jersey for Pittsburgh of Samuel Pounet. A Purity Gold, number to 35 for Carolina of Andrei Svechnikov. And a Philip Forsberg Red, number to 228 for Nashville. All right, ladies and gents, let's do the spins giveaway. So, first, what the prize will be. Let's see. Boop. Oh. Thunderclap of Smith. Alrighty. And who is it going to? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. The Smith is going to Cav 27 with Cav, Ginson, 97 Tiers, Thumper, and Chancellor getting ballots towards the big auto at the end. There we go, folks.